Hey Shannon, thank you for requesting this video. Today I want to talk about Reactic restoration. But before we get into that and talking about your website here, I want to tell you about the three different ways on how you could be found by Google and how your customers will find you. So when we let's just say for instance we type in water damage restoration, San Francisco. We get the sponsored area up top here. We also get that's way number one. For way number two, you have this Google Business Profile up here, which is these three top positions. And it's your Google Business Profile. All you got to do is make sure everything's 100% optimal. And also, what you do need to do, which is most important, is citations. So make sure that you're putting proper citations. So that would get you up here. So it's like kind of like a digital phone book for your business, if you will. So that's the second way on how you could be found up here. The third way you could be found is in organics, which is Yelp, Lion, and water damage recovery. When we type in water damage restoration San Francisco, these are the top three slots right now. And the reason why you see Yelp up here is because they're pushing power nationally. So basically, in a nutshell, those are the three different ways on how you could be found. And if, like I said, you're not found up here, you're basically just leaving money on the table at that point. So, but with that, let's get started. So let's take a quick look at Reactic restoration. So I like how you did your logo up here. It looks really nice. You have a phone number here. So I can scroll down. Okay. You have some clickables here. So you guys do different jobs here: fire, smoke, and damage, water damage cleanup. All right. I like the pictures that you have up here. What Google really looks for and what they always index for every day is about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content just in your homepage alone. So that's huge. That's huge. And what they look for is keywords. It looks like you got one keyword here. And that's it. So from the looks of it, looks like you got maybe, I would say 200 words of content here. So in a nutshell, I mean, that could pretty much use a lot of improvement with the content side of it. So let's take a quick look at your competitor and what they're doing for content. So see, they have all these keywords bunched up, and you don't want to do that. Google likes it kind of spread out. So, but it looks like they have a little bit more content than you, so I would say about 500. Maybe a little bit less than that. Yeah, I would say you guys both have about the same, so about 300 words of content from the looks of it. So, with that being said, I mean, as far as content goes, you want to make sure to optimize that. Google don't really care what a website looks like. I mean, if you have a nice website, it looks really wonderful. But what Google really likes is content. So basically, you want to optimize that. So the next thing I want to talk about is backlinks and keywords. So there's this tool that I plugged in your website, and this is a live view on how Google views your site. So reacticrestoration.com. This right here is your strength, and right here shows your trust that Google has. So you basically have 666,000 backlinks with 218 referring domains going to them. So this is very important, and also you are only using 12 organic keywords, and it's only pulling you 23 of organic traffic. So this is what your website is doing for you right now. Now what you would like to do is make sure that that we use proper SEO backlinking, so that way you can rank organically in the front page and be found by Google. So let's take a look at your keywords. So here's 15 here. So there's 15 keywords here that you're using. Now let's look at your competitor real quick. They are Lion Restoration. They have 383 organic keywords with 51 traffic. So they're getting a little bit more than you guys, but they actually are up here, the second slot. So basically, we could always push to beat Yelp and get you guys up here. So in a nutshell, that's pretty much all that I have for you, Shannon. But let's take a quick recap and kind of show you on the 3 different ways, once again, how you can be found. So you have the sponsored up here with the Google guaranteed. You've got these 3 areas where 30% of your business you will collect from your website here and your Google business profile. So, and then these 3 top positions here, that's where 70% of your business will be found. So that's pretty much where your customers will find you if you're on these top slots. And basically, if we optimize your website and do proper SEO backlinking, then we can actually beat these guys, and you can use what you need to use your website for, which is basically a digital ATM. So with that, I hope this information is good. It's good to you, Shannon, and I hope it's useful to you. If you feel you need a guide to kind of help you, feel free to contact me. My name is Joshua with Peterson SEO. My number is 505-331-7995, or you can reach me at Peterson. You can reach me at Joshua at PetersonSEOconsulting.com. Thank you so much for your time, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.